Good morning, student. Good morning, class 4. Student, take out your grammar book and go to the page number 55, lesson number 11, the present tense. See, what is present tense? That means বর্তমানে যে কাজটি হয় বা ইউনিভার্সাল ট্রুথ প্রত্যেক দিনই হয় তাকে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের মধ্যে পড়ে, তাই না? ইয়েস, ইটস আ সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স হতে পারে বা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হতে পারে। নাও সি সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স। টুডে উই উইল লার্ন অ্যাবাউট দ্য সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স। সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স আরেকটা নাম হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনাইট টেন্স। সি, রাধা গোজ ফর এ ওয়াক ডেইলি। আচ্ছা, I will ask you one of the one thing, that why we have written here goes, because you have to know that why we are writing here goes, because Radha is the third person singular number. After third person singular number we always use s or es. Okay, the teacher teaches in the class. The sun rises in the east. Mohan likes to study maths. That means দেখো এই সেন্টেন্সগুলি this sentence are all in a simple present tense. এগুলো সব সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের মধ্যে আছে। Next one, this sentence tells us about the action that happened regularly, state, daily habits or universal truth. We use simple present tense to state the above mentioned things. See, the root form of verbs plus es and s. See, goes, go plus es, teach plus es, rise plus s, like plus s. These are the root verbs. Okay. Now see, if we, you, if we, sorry, I, we, you, they, and all plural subjects take a root form of verbs, তাদের পরে সবসময় root form of verbs বসে। And what is the root form of verb? It's a verb plus s or es is the root form of verb. Okay. Next, see the example. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Here is a verb. Rohan plays football. Here plays is a verb. She treats the patient with the patience, means treat is a verb. The bus follows the route. The route follows is a verb. Now see, some of the exercises are there and you have to do it. What you will write here? The postman. The postman, first person third person singular number. The postman brings, brings, brings a letter, the letter. I I like to read novel, because এখানে তো ফার্স্ট পার্সন রয়েছে, তাই না? The children makes, makes, makes. Clear? The aeroplanes flies. My father reads, ads, reads newspaper daily. You play the guitar, not plays the guitar, only play the guitar. The train runs across the bridge. The train runs across the bridge. That girl dresses well. Dresses, dresses well. We dash live near the airport. We live we live we live near the airport. Live. We live. And this one, car spread pollution, spreads, ads, spreads pollution. Now see, present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense means বর্তমানে যে কাজটি চলছে, মানে the work we are doing now, but this will continue. Okay. Sakshi is playing a piano. Sakshi is playing a 1 minute. Sakshi is playing a piano. That means it is a continuous tense. So still she is playing. He is cooking food. When I still he is cooking food, is cooking is a present continuous tense. And they are swimming. Are swimming is a present continuous tense. I am watering the plant. I am watering is a present continuous tense. Now see. This sentence tells us about the actions that are happening at the moment. মানে এই যে ঘটনাগুলো বলছে সেটা এখন অ্যাকশনসগুলো চলছে। উই ইউজ প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স টু শো হোয়াট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং নাও। আমরা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সগুলো বলছি কেন এখন করার জন্য। নাও সি অ্যামিজার ওয়াজ ওয়্যার। সি হোয়াট ইজ রিটেন হিয়ার। Amizar means is amar plus ing form of verb is used to construct a sentence. একটা সেন্টেন্সকে কনস্ট্রাক্ট করতে গেলে তোমাকে অ্যামিজার আর প্লাস আইএনজি অ্যাড করতে হবে। ওকে, নাও সি সাম অফ দ্য এক্সাম্পলস আর দেয়ার। Are you not working today? That means are not working is a present continuous tense and it is a negative sentence. People are standing in the at the bus stop. I am reading an interesting novel. Dan is celebrating. Is celebrating is a continuous present continuous tense. And Meena is replying to the question. Is replying is a present continuous tense. Okay. Now see the question here. Encircle the word verb that shows the present continuous tense. যে ভার্বগুলো এখানে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স বুঝিয়েছে সেটাই তুমি শুধু এনসার্কেল করবে। লাইক জন লাইকস টু ওয়্যার আ হ্যাট। হি ইজ ওয়ারিং আ রেড হ্যাট টুডে। ইজ ওয়ারিং ইজ আ প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। দ্য স্টার্স আর শাইনিং ইজ আ present continuous tense. Shining brightly in the sky. Look there, the ice is melting. Is melting is a present continuous tense. Mira wants to stay. She is not leaving. Is not leaving is a present continuous tense. They are coming to see us. Are coming is a present continuous tense. Like this, where the verb, auxiliary verb and verb plus ing is there, this type of word is a present continuous tense and you have to encircle it. তোমাদের এগুলো encircle করতে হবে। The Rishabh is sitting in front of the Pinky and is, that means is sitting is a continuous tense. And who is standing at the window? Is standing is a continuous tense. Mother is sleeping is a continuous tense. Like this. Okay. Now see, go to the last page, number 3. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verb in brackets. Kriti dash the dishes. Kriti is washing. WASHING. Because we have to write the present continuous tense, that's why I have written there. Kriti is. So the Kriti is a singular person. That's why I am writing here is. Kriti is washing the dishes. What are you reading? What are you reading? Ron dash the computer. Ron is using the computer. A man is riding, RIDING, riding a bicycle. Clear? Next one. The little boy is drawing, DRAWING, drawing. They are talking. My sister and I am. My sister and I am. I পরে সময় am বসবে, okay? Am taking taking English class. The coach is giving, GIVING, giving instructions to the student. The spaceship is moving, MOVING. The boat is sailing, SAILING, sailing in the sea. Okay student, I have completed this lesson. Bye bye everyone, have a nice day.